साहेब बंदगी साहेब, myself Rahul Kumar Das. So I am going to discuss about Sadhguru Kabir Sahab and his words in English so that many people can connect with Sadhguru Kabir Sahab and they can understand the words of Sadhguru Kabir Sahab, and by following them they can improve their lifestyle, they can understand about their enlightened and awakened master of India. He stands at the door of the eternity, the songs of eternity sung by him in a unique voice. He sang love poems with such inner clarity that his words allow us to achieve the Almighty. All good techniques and religions of the world are reflected in his words. He has told us what the truth is. His words leave ever lasting impact on us and make us awake. From such Sadhguru Kabir words come like flames which burns all the essence. His words create a greater curiosity and intense thirst in us to meet Almighty, to know, to see and to be. Voice of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib covers all aspects of human life. Like other books of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib, अनुराग सागर, गुरु महिमा, अनुराग सागर पर मेरा अनुराग, सहज साहब पाया, is also good books for all times. Each verse of this takes a reader deeper into life and mystery of existence and makes him able to achieve the Almighty truth and final salvation. The Sadhguru Kabir Sahib is now present in the form of Bans 42. The Damakheda, Sadhguru Kabir Dharmnagar Damakheda is the center of all Kabirpanthi. One who is eager to meet Sadhguru Kabir Sahib in the form of Bans 42, they can reach Damakheda, which is situated at Chhattisgarh, the state of India. The month of February, the fair that is called Magh Mela is celebrated.
सतगुरु के भक्तों चले आओ, संतों का यहाँ समागम है.
All the corner of India and other country to listen and to follow Sadhguru Kabir Sahib words in their life. This fair is called Magh Mela, which is started from before the full moon night of Magh Mela. I request all of you to come Damakheda, which is situated in Chhattisgarh, and you can achieve, you can learn, you can listen, you can see the words of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib. And this is the only place where we can see that after 500 years of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib, Bans 42, the 15th Vans Guru Panch Shri Huzur Prakash Muni Naam Sahib and the 16th Vans Guru Panch Shri Huzur Udit Muni Naam Sahib are present in Damakheda. सही वन सही रूप हमार, या में दोकर मानी है पड़े 84 धार. Sadhguru Kabir Sahib says that he is not away from our life. He is also, after 500 years, after 600 years, he is also present in this life in the form of Vanshvalis, and they are spreading the words of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib not only in India but also in the foreign countries. So I request you to come Damakheda and read the books of Sadhguru Kabir Sahib, which is published from Damakheda. I will meet again all of you next time. Today I am going to stop my words with these words. All of you, Sahib Bandagi.